In this video, I will show you how to clear YouTube cache on Android mobile. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your Android mobile. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from the app list, just find YouTube app. Now tap on YouTube to open. Now on the bottom bar, tap on Force Stop. You will get a confirmation prompt. Just tap on OK to force stop YouTube app. Now scroll down again and now tap on Storage. At the bottom, tap on Clear Cache and YouTube cache from Android mobile will be cleared. So that is how you can clear YouTube cache on Android mobile. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.